Welcome to BoldSign eSignature. This video will guide you on how to add custom legal terms to your documents in BoldSign. Custom legal terms refer to the terms and conditions that the signer must acknowledge before proceeding with the signing process. These terms are in addition to the standard electronic signature disclosure terms and BoldSign's terms of use. Users have the flexibility to define their custom legal terms, but only the account administrator has the authority to add these legal terms. The Custom Legal Terms option can be found in the Branding feature. Imagine you are a project manager overseeing a software development project with multiple stakeholders, including clients, developers, and legal teams. As part of the project, you must ensure that all parties involved understand and agree to specific legal terms and conditions. Here's how you use BoldSign to add custom legal terms and streamline the process. Let's see how the custom legal terms are set. I log on to my BoldSign account and expand the Settings option. I then click Branding. On the Branding page, there is already an existing brand. I click the Context menu. I then select the Edit Brand option, navigate to the Advanced option, and toggle the custom legal terms. In case you don't have a brand, you have to create one for adding the custom legal terms. I enter the title as Cube Flakes Terms. I then add the custom legal terms. In the Preview section, you can check how it will appear. After ensuring that it is in order, click the Save button. The terms have been successfully saved. Now let's see how it reflects on the signer's side. For that, I will create and send a signature request to one of the stakeholders. I click Create New, and then select the Create New Document option. I browse the document on the document preparation page, and then enter the client's details, including the name and email. I then scroll down to the document section. I check if the brand for which the custom legal terms are set is the one selected. You can also message the signers to remind them to read the custom legal terms before finally signing the document. With all these done, I click Next. On the configuration page, I add the signature field and then click Send. The document is sent out successfully. Let me now navigate to the signer's side and see how the signing is done. On the signer's side, after clicking the Review and Sign button, I am directed to the document signing page. I can see the custom legal terms and the standard electronic signature disclosure terms below. Open them by clicking Cube Flakes Terms link. For the signer to sign the document, he needs to agree to the terms by checking this box. That's all about adding custom legal terms. If you found this video useful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned to our channel for more BoldSign tutorial videos.